Today I'm just going to be talking to you about one-point perspective. And here are some things you're going to need to know. There are just some general terminologies when we talk about perspective. And I'm going to demonstrate what they are.
I'm recording it for Monica.
Oh, right, okay. Horizon line, picture plane, ground line, center of vision, cone of vision, and vanishing point. So, perspective, technical perspective, has been around since the Renaissance. It was an idea developed by an architect and artist named Brunelleschi to help us understand the environment that we live in, the space around us. It does have its limitations, though, and I'm going to talk about that right away. As soon as I finish discussing quickly what these terms mean. So here is our picture plane. A picture plane is represented by anything on which your drawing, your perspective drawing, is on. First thing we have is our horizon line. Now keep in mind that the horizon line is wherever your eye line is. So line of vision is also synonymous with horizon line. It's that point at which, off in the distance, the sky and the ground meet. But this changes depending on your point of view. So for right now, my horizon line is right here. If I bend down, my horizon line changes. If I look over here, I have a different horizon line. It's constantly changing depending on where my line of vision is. So just keep in mind that this idea that as you're moving through space, wherever your eye line is, you're seeing everything from a unique point of view. That's where your horizon line is. That's where your line of vision is. This entire area, so we'll call this our horizon line. This entire area here is our picture plane. Our ground line is the bottom line of our picture plane. Center of vision is exactly where we stand, whatever is right in front of us. Vanishing point is also the area on the horizon line to which the lines of whatever we're trying to draw in perspective recedes. So let's say we're following this box. Here's the box's vanishing point. That is the place where all of these receding lines would meet. That's where they converge. Okay, so something very important, very simple too, to remember the difference between 1- and 2-point perspective. In 1-point perspective, both your vertical and horizontal lines run parallel to your picture plane. Notice in this 1-point perspective construct, both the vertical and the horizontal lines are parallel to the ones on our picture plane. That's 1-point perspective. In 2-point, only the vertical lines are parallel to our picture plane. Let me show you how that works. In 2-point perspective, you have 2 vanishing points. In 1-point perspective, you have 1 vanishing point. So that means in 2-point perspective, what would have been our horizontal line suddenly becomes diagonal. And it has a vanishing point somewhere over here on our line of vision, and somewhere over here on our line of vision. So, 2-point perspective, 2 vanishing points, and only the vertical remains consistently parallel to our picture plane. Now let's talk about the cone of vision, which is different from the center of vision.
Oh shoot, I can't see it.
Okay, I might have to transfer this over to a different computer. I do not know why it's always happening.
She can't see all that.
I can't like see it through the, because it's really bright, the screen. So you can't see any of the writing on it.